Look at this costume. It's an amazing Halloween costume. Hey little kitty, are you scared? It has amazing nails like that, and it's beautiful. It comes with a beautiful cape, beautiful hat, glasses. It doesn't come with a dress, but look at this cape. It's so spooky. It's so beautiful. I'm so in love with it, and it's very I love the glasses style. I love the hat style. It's so gorgeous. All you need to do is do some makeup with it and get like this killer dress as well. Let your hair down. It adds this really nice, elegant style. And I love the color here. It's so nice. And like seriously, like the nails are everything. I would suggest that you get like green stockings as well with it, like green tight with it, and the high boots. Perfect. I'm so in love with it. This is so spooky. This is so scary. The hat is very high quality. Look at it. It's so nice. It's so gorgeous. And it's super easy to wear it. It's very nice. I hope you have a really nice Halloween, a very spooky one. Cheers.